Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering down the unit and unplugging it. This prevents electrical hazards. Once the oil temperature drops to a safe range, about 120 to 140 degrees, begin preparing your transfer container and filters. Make sure to wear heat-resistant gloves and eye protection because splashes are possible. Now place the oil container beneath the drain and position a coarse filter. You will drain slowly and steadily to capture debris while protecting the drain from blockages. Once the bulk oil is removed, you scrape out settled crumbs and carbon with a plastic or wooden scraper to avoid damage. Next, apply a commercial fryer cleaner or a manufacturer-approved detergent while the surface is still warm. This helps break down polymerized grease. Make sure to perform a boil-out if recommended. Fill with hot water and cleaner, heat carefully or soak, then scrub with a non-abrasive brush to remove stubborn carbon. Rinse thoroughly to remove all residues. Once rinsing shows clear water, you must dry the fryer completely. Towels first, then leave for air drying to prevent oil contamination or splatter. Make sure to inspect gaskets, heating elements, and the drain valve for any remaining residue or damage. Replace parts if worn. After reassembly, filter the stored oil or pour fresh oil back in, power up the unit, and heat slowly to operating temperature while observing for leaks or odd smells. If foaming, excessive smoke, or persistent odors occur, stop and recheck seals and cleanliness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.